guys, today we are going to do something fun. Yesterday we built a new ramp or a new jump. It's 140 centimeters long, 115 centimeters wide, and it's 90 centimeters high, and it ends in like 80 degrees or something. I thought it would be fun to use one of my scariest tracks, so I can show you guys a little bit about this Outcast 8S before we go. Rims and tires, we got the Proline Masher X. Got this truck from a friend of mine, so he didn't use it much, so he thought it was better to sell it to someone who wants to send it. So big shout out to Paul. So we got RPM arms, front and rear, beefy axles from M2C. I got the rest of these end links, or what they're called, from M2C, but I'm only swapping them when they break, the plastic ones, so I only broke these two so far. 1100 kV Ezrun motor and a rocket fan. We got a Max 5. We got good connectors. We also got the M2C drive shafts, and the inside pistons are also M2C. We have M2C chassis plate, and for gearing I'm running 27, I don't remember the spur, but opinion is 27. And the hinge pins are also M2C, but the blocks are not, only the rear one. I got the rear hinge pin block in M2C. Boom. Oh. Oh! Oh! Åh, det var ströken! Oh. Oi.
Å, der er det en jule.